Hey guys, if you're a home buyer or seller here in Oʻahu and you didn't know about this new change that kicked in today, it might potentially be a deal killer at closing. FEMA updated their flood maps and it's effective today, June 10th. So what does that mean if the home is not included in the new zones? So since most loans in the special hazard areas require flood insurance, and if you're a seller, don't forget to list the correct flood zones in the seller disclosure so you don't get in trouble later. To check if the property is affected, I left in the details the website where you can interact with the map and see the changes.